my name is Romano Roth, and I'm a principal consultant of Zürich, and I am a DevOps enthusiast. My passion lies in radically transforming silo waterfall organization. What is the business case of DevOps? Today, I will give you a tool how you can explain to your boss what business case of DevOps is, so that you get the money for your DevOps transformation. The today's ITs, they have a lot of problems. They have technical debt, which they need to deal with, and they have silos, which do not work together. And overall, they have the problem that they always have cost cuts. Today's decision makers, the CIO or the managers, they want to do DevOps. And you, all of you, you want to do DevOps as well. But unfortunately, the decision makers don't know what DevOps is. So you will go to them and you will talk about trust. You will talk about accountability. And you will talk about data-driven decision-making, the core values of DevOps. And you will also talk about the DevOps Target, so about faster deployment, improved mean time to recovery, or about faster bug fixing and experimentation. But the decision makers will tell you, yeah, that's exactly what we want to do, but you cannot have any money because, you know, we have some cost cuts. But what is the business case of that DevOps? So what is a business case? A business case, we will look at the benefits and the chances and the costs and the risks. And if the division of these two parts is positive, then we have a positive business case. If it's negative, it's a negative business case. The decision makers, they want to know when they have the return on investment, because that's what they are interested. When does my investment pay off, so that I can reinvest this investment into other things? And we need to know where value is generated. Value is only generated at the customer side. It's very important to understand that. From the idea through implementation till deployment, no value is generated, only at the customer side. And then the customer will pay you and you will earn money so that you can reinvest the money into new ideas, which then flows again through your value stream of implementation and deployment so that you can generate new value. And how do we invest into DevOps? We invest by taking some of these earnings and investing that into our value stream and to improve the lead time so that we can generate faster the value. What we need to know is the concept of time value money, which says $1 today is always more worth than $1 tomorrow. This says that we should invest early and we should invest now our money, not later. Today's enterprises, they have 3 months of release cycles without value generation. Only after these 3 months, there is value generated. So, for example, about 5 months later, they will have the return on investment. With DevOps, we are in the position that we have faster releases and we have a faster return on investment so that we can take this return on investment and reinvest that into DevOps. So we get faster and faster. So with that, we have a fast value generation for our customers. We can generate more money with that. We have a faster return on investment. And with that, we can do more DevOps and improve ourselves massively. So the first step of DevOps is to take the part of this earning and invest it into improving our lead time of our value chain so that we can generate value faster for our clients. And then we see this picture that the value stream is getting faster and smaller, and we can do more deployments, and we have a faster return on investment, which we can always reinvest. So, focus on fast value generation. With that, you have now a tool to convince your decision maker to invest into your DevOps transformation. And with that, also your company has a faster value generation. And with that, you have happy customers and you generate faster value for your customers. And with that, everybody will win with DevOps. Thank you very much.